Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorial how to add vertex to an edge. We have these example objects and then you can go to edit mode and I will create vertex in the top edge. You can use the knife tools, click this icon knife and I will click from this edge into here. To apply you can press enter. So we create vertex in this edge. You also can use subdivide tools to create edge. First, you can change into this select mode. And then I will select at this edge. Right click, you can choose subdivide. And then you can change for the number of cut. Like I will set into 3. And if you change again into vertex selection, to be create the 3 vertex. Okay, that's it for basic Blender tutorial, how to add vertex to an edge. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.